Imagine a world where diseases are diagnosed with unparalleled accuracy, where traffic accidents are a distant memory, and where personalized education tailors itself to each student's unique needs. This is the promise of artificial intelligence, a technology with the potential to revolutionize almost every aspect of our lives. But AI is not without its critics. Some fear that it could lead to mass unemployment, exacerbate existing inequalities, or even pose an existential threat to humanity. As with any powerful technology, it is crucial that we proceed with both caution and optimism, harnessing its potential while mitigating its risks. The future of AI is not predetermined. It is a future that we will shape through the choices we make today. By engaging in informed debate and thoughtful regulation, we can ensure that AI benefits all of humanity. In the sections that follow, we will delve deeper into the potential benefits and risks of AI, exploring its impact on the workplace, examining the ethical considerations it raises, and considering its implications for the future of warfare. We will then conclude with a balanced perspective on the promise and peril of this transformative technology. AI has the potential to solve some of the world's most pressing problems. In healthcare, AI-powered diagnostic tools are already outperforming human doctors in certain areas, leading to earlier and more accurate diagnoses. AI-driven drug discovery is accelerating the development of new treatments for diseases like cancer and Alzheimer's. Beyond healthcare, AI is being used to improve transportation, education, and environmental protection. Self-driving cars promise to reduce traffic accidents and congestion, while AI-powered tutoring systems can provide personalized instruction to students of all abilities. AI is also being deployed to monitor deforestation, track endangered species, and optimize energy consumption. These are just a few examples of the many ways in which AI has the potential to improve our lives. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative applications emerge in the years to come. The key to unlocking this potential is to ensure that AI is developed and deployed responsibly, with a focus on human well-being and societal benefit. This requires collaboration between governments, industry leaders, and researchers to establish ethical guidelines and regulatory frameworks that foster innovation while safeguarding against potential harms. One of the most significant impacts of AI is likely to be felt in the workplace. As AI-powered automation becomes increasingly sophisticated, it has the potential to automate many tasks currently performed by humans. This raises concerns about job displacement and the potential for increased economic inequality. However, it is important to note that AI is also creating new jobs and industries. As AI takes over routine tasks, it frees up human workers to focus on more creative, complex, and fulfilling work. This could lead to a surge in demand for jobs that require skills such as critical thinking, problem-solving, and emotional intelligence. Moreover, AI has the potential to enhance human productivity and efficiency. By automating repetitive tasks and providing workers with real-time insights and recommendations, AI can help us to work smarter, not harder. This could lead to increased productivity, higher wages, and a better work-life balance. The key to navigating this transition is to invest in education and training programs that equip workers with the skills they need to thrive in an AI-powered economy. By embracing lifelong learning and fostering a culture of adaptability, we can ensure that the benefits of AI are shared widely across society. One of the most common fears associated with AI is the idea that it could become so intelligent that it poses an existential threat to humanity. This fear is often fueled by science fiction depictions of AI, such as the Terminator franchise, which portray AI as a malevolent force bent on human destruction. While it is important to acknowledge the potential risks associated with advanced AI, it is also important to avoid sensationalism and fear-mongering. The reality is that AI is a tool, and like any tool, it can be used for good or evil. The ultimate impact of AI on humanity will depend on the choices we make in its development and deployment. Rather than fearing the rise of the machines, we should focus on ensuring that AI is aligned with human values and goals. This means developing AI systems that are transparent, accountable, and controllable. It also means fostering a dialogue between AI researchers, ethicists, and policymakers to ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly. Section 5. Ethical considerations. The rapid development of AI raises a number of ethical considerations that must be carefully considered. One key concern is the potential for AI to be biased or discriminatory. AI systems are trained on vast amounts of data, and if this data reflects existing societal biases, the AI system itself may perpetuate or even amplify these biases. For example, an AI system used in hiring decisions that is trained on data biased against women or minorities may be more likely to reject qualified candidates from these groups. Similarly, an AI system used in criminal justice that is trained on data reflecting racial disparities in policing may be more likely to misidentify people of color as potential criminals. To mitigate the risk of bias, it is crucial that AI systems are developed and trained on diverse and representative datasets. It is also important to develop mechanisms for identifying and correcting bias in AI systems. Section 6. Keeping humanity in the loop. Another important ethical consideration is the need to keep humans in the loop when it comes to AI decision-making. AI systems are capable of processing vast amounts of data and making complex decisions at speeds that far exceed human capabilities. However, this does not mean that AI should be given free rein to make decisions that have significant consequences for human lives. For example, in the context of autonomous weapons systems, it is essential that humans retain ultimate control over the decision to use lethal force. Similarly, in healthcare, AI systems can provide valuable insights and recommendations, but the final decision about a patient's care should always rest with a human doctor. By keeping humans in the loop, we can ensure that AI is used to augment human intelligence and decision-making rather than replacing it entirely. This will help to ensure that AI is used in a way that is ethical, responsible, and aligned with human values. Section 7. AI and the future of warfare. The development of AI has significant implications for the future of warfare. AI-powered autonomous weapon systems, such as drones and robots, have the potential to revolutionize the battlefield, reducing the need for human soldiers and potentially making wars less deadly. However, the prospect of autonomous weapons systems also raises serious ethical concerns. One concern is the lack of accountability if an autonomous weapons system malfunctions or makes an erroneous decision that results in civilian casualties. Who is responsible in such a scenario? The machine, its programmer, or the military commander who deployed it? Another concern is the potential for an AI arms race in which nations compete to develop ever more sophisticated and deadly autonomous weapons systems. This could lead to a destabilizing and dangerous new era of warfare. The international community must work together to establish clear ethical guidelines and regulations for the development and deployment of AI in warfare. This includes a ban on fully autonomous weapon systems that are capable of selecting and engaging targets without human intervention. Section 8. A world transformed. The potential impact of AI on society is profound. It has the potential to transform our lives in countless ways, from revolutionizing healthcare and transportation to automating jobs and reshaping the future of warfare. However, this transformative potential comes with both promise and peril. On the one hand, AI has the potential to solve some of the world's most pressing problems, improve our quality of life, and create a more just and equitable society. On the other hand, AI also poses significant risks, from job displacement and economic inequality to the potential for bias, discrimination, and even existential threats. The future of AI is not predetermined. It is a future that we will shape through the choices we make today. By embracing a balanced perspective that acknowledges both the promise and the peril of AI, we can harness its power for good while mitigating its risks. Section 9. A future forged together. In conclusion, AI is a powerful tool with the potential to reshape our world in profound ways. Whether it ultimately proves to be a force for good or ill depends on the choices we make in its development and deployment. By embracing a spirit of collaboration, fostering ethical innovation, and keeping humanity at the heart of our technological advancements, we can create a future where AI empowers us to reach our full potential and build a better world for all. The future of AI is not a zero-sum game. It is not a battle between humans and machines. Rather, it is a future that we must forge together, drawing on our collective wisdom, compassion, and ingenuity to ensure that this transformative technology benefits all of humanity.